Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. Okay, so the tip number one is to reach out to local businesses. Now, your local businesses are basically your local source of income, and majority of designers out there don't think about their local businesses because they just went by them every single day without even thinking once about reaching out to them and offering them their services. But local businesses do need your services, especially if you're into business cards, if you're into flyers, if you're into menus or stuff like that. So you can reach out and help your local businesses, especially restaurants, because they need changes all of the time because they're adding new things to their menus, for example, and stuff like that. So think about local businesses in that way. Also, if you're doing website design, for example, maybe you can reach out to them and simply create an ordering website for those local businesses. Or if it's a flower shop, maybe you can showcase that flower shop in a better way on their website, and then perhaps they can link that website in their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter profiles, so users can then jump to their website and simply explore their offer and see what they have to offer. Don't dismiss your local businesses, because especially when you're getting started, they can be a great way for you to get a job, to get additional income, and finally to form your portfolio and start forming it so you can spread out then online or jump to those bigger agencies and simply show them your portfolio that you created by working with these local agencies. So once again, reach out to local businesses. Make sure it's not about you, make sure it's about them and what you can do about them and to help them increase their business and create more profits and more income for their business. So once again, when you're reaching out, make sure to have a plan, what you can actually do to help these businesses grow and to help them increase their income and achieve their growth, and how can you overall help them so they can help you in return, getting you that job, getting you that additional income, and finally a piece to your portfolio. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.